take, say, Italy today or Germany today. I mean, the differences among the things that we call German are enormous, so enormous as to lead to non-mutual intelligibility. You have to learn the national language when you go to school. It's a different language than the one you spoke at home. What happens is that between generations, there are usually small changes having to do with other influences from the outside and so on. And these things are cumulative. Sometimes they lead to pretty dramatic changes. It's like, it's like predicting the weather. There's just too many things going on. Human life is a pretty complicated affair.
The closer I get to the border between France and Germany, the closer the languages become.
Yeah, well, in particular, if you go from, say, Paris to Rome, as you go toward the Italian border, it starts to sound more like Italian, and at some point it becomes Italian. By now, there's enough national unity and so on, so you can really find a border. But if you go back a little ways, there was no border. Place and another thing in another place, and they're not mutually intelligible often, but along the way there are just all sorts of changes. In France, this position is kind of extreme. In fact, if you go back to its origins, it's even a little bit comical. I don't know if anybody's actually You ask the question, why do you have to teach people? Well, you have to teach them because it's artificial. It's not their language. Because it was legislated to be good English.